is Ugoma special. Inside the special, there is another special. You want to go? If you understand what I'm talking about, slide into my DM so we can do business. Ugoma special is a place you would definitely love to be. Yes? So keep commenting. I will read your comments and we will pick one person gets to win it. Are you ready? Alright guys, drop your comments and I will be reading all of them. Keep the comments coming. Yes. Men only, please. Men only. The ladies should go to their homes and cook for themselves. As you can see, I'm still wearing my attire. I just finished making a sumptuous meal, if you know what I mean. Ugoma special. Soup way sweet. Na money killer. Who is winning our Ugoma special inside special? No ladies. No ladies. This is strictly for men. The women should go to their houses and cook. Alright? I cook only for men. Keep the comments coming, guys. Kingsley, you just might have won yourself a free giveaway. Wow, this is massive. And it's just 30 minutes.
Madam, stop now. You know you're always on fire.
So hot. What time is that?
Wow.
Go to Chineke. As in, if I come this world again, make I come this life again. This your body, I go carry and come. Me, I go first them kill. God go create me on Monday. Everybody go shift. Because I don't understand. Then go look me bad eye.
Sorry to interrupt you, madam. No be biased where they create you or next word. If you see fufu, you go feel quarrel with fufu. That will be the main question. Because when you begin to chop 6 wrap of fufu by 3 a.m., there's no way you will get this kind of body where madam get. It's discipline and sacrifice. What have you sacrificed? As you sit down and you look like those who help they pump.
Oh, Jesus.
You understand? So you have to calm down. There is no way. Once your belly big pass your reaction, there's a problem.
Are you carrying fufu they give me?
It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry, but let's go back to the main matter.
Yes, please. It's fine. It's okay. Thank you, girls, for the compliments. I truly appreciate it. Now that we have this amount of views, let's translate it into business.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Because I'm sure before we know it, here will be flooded with customers.
Exactly.
Are you girls ready?
100%.
Are you sure you're ready? Like, are you ready?
I'm ready, madam.
Zara?
Ma.
You ready?
I'm always
Queen.
ready.
Always ready. Born ready.
Manager.
The
floor is yours.
It's okay, madam. We'll take it from here.
All right, I will be upstairs.
No problem. Let me just conclude with them, madam.
The manager.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember the guy that won the free giveaway?
Yes.
All right. I'll be in my room.
All right.
My sexy.
Shake it.
Shake it.
Oh,
Again, for your fellow woman. Again, what did they give me?
I mean, now what's the kind of you come?
What did you need to give me?
Now what's the whole you manager? Respect yourself.
Okay, shake. This woman has just give me. Now, this is supposed to be if not become fufu. Oh, God. I mean, I don't hear everything.
What's your problem?
You don't do. I don't hear everything.
Hi.
Wanna put you in the best. We did together.
Me and you together. Carry yourself, come off my front door.
Oh, God.
Let it concern you. No, carry your own stay. I will call you. Answer where then call you. I'm waiting. What did they carry on a sellout? I'm concerned. Try to get yourself.
Give away. Once again, says, welcome to Ugoma Special.
Where we give you premium satisfaction in and out.
As they talk and I say B. Satisfaction in and out. Fully loaded. You're welcome. Without wasting so much time, I'll just go straight to the formal introduction. On my right here, we have Zara. Zara here is factory fitted, fully loaded, 12 horsepower, highly graded. Everything you see here is real. You see, we have two packages. We have Zara Feed Me and Take Away, and Zara Feed Me Only. Zara here is going for 500,000 naira for Feed Me and Take Away. Therefore, Feed Us Only is 400,000 naira, because everything here you see is premium. She's expensive, yes, but she's watery. She's juicy. She's like waterfall. If you touch her like this, beer. See, it's already wet.
I can see it.
You don't need lubricant. It's plop, 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 plop. Your room will be filled. That's why she's on the high side, due to her liquid doings. On the right is what we call Queen. Queen is a special breed. Another factory fitted. You see her ass. The ass is like this. It's good for spanking, depending on how you want to run it. It's just like Popo. You understand me? That's Queen. Queen is going for 400,000 naira for Feed and Take Away. Then for Feed Only, that will go for 300,000 naira. So you see, we're almost on the same breed, but we know the difference in the taste. Some taste like this, and some taste like, you know what I mean. On the extreme end is wait, you don't need to turn. That one is on promo. That one, yes, just pay as you go, free to air. That one is your promo. On Instagram, you call it giveaway. So everybody drop your answer here. Now that one will drop. That one nothing really did. Once you touch apply, it don't open. It's okay like that, because sometimes they really like to shave, so it's like that. So that is for that. So it's left for you to make your choice, and we'll take it off from here, sir.
Manager.
Yes, sir.
I actually came here for Ugoma Special.
Ugoma Special, sir, with all due respect, that is on the high side. I don't know if you can afford it, sir.
Do I look like a broke guy to you? Do I look like a...
No, sir. I mean no disrespect. I don't judge people by their look. I'm just saying, because Ugoma Special is not on the range of the... We're talking milli. You understand? That's what I'm saying, if you can afford it. But if you can afford it, that's fine. I'll just book you for that, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, what about you, sir?
For me, I'm good with Zara. Zara, Feed Me and Take Away.
Okay, that's 500,000. So it's like you like it juicy, sir.
You know.
It's okay. You will feel it. Okay, let me quickly book you down, sir. So it's Zara, feed me, and take away. Take away. Yeah. So that includes everything. It's not like the one you do on this. You can press, you can do anything. Yeah. So you should wait for me. Hold on, sir. Let me quickly take him to my madam.
That's fine.
Yes.
I can wait with Zara.
No, sir, you have not paid. You understand? This thing is protocol. I know how you feel because I told you she's juicy. Now your body is just, it's okay. Just wait, sir. We will get there. But for now, you can just be spinning, just be turning, let him be feeling that.
Don't worry.
This way, sir.
I will have his bill on my account, okay?
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's okay. And so give her, you just
So
go watch.
she can come now.
Just hold on. Yes, sir, you can go.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Just Phoenix.
Zara, baby. Yes, one second. Just do this. Hey! Zara, baby.
Come on, cutie. Let me take you round my world.
Special.
Good boy. Are you sure you're ready?
God, my special. God, my.
That's my name, baby.
God, my. No, come back. No, please. Come back. Come back here, girl.
1 second.
Oh, shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh, just come back here and sit down. Just sit down.
Yes. Especially prepared by me. Nope. I've got you. This especially made by me. And you know what this does?
Yeah.
It goes down here.
Oh.
Goes round
Oh.
and round. I need you to finish it. so you can be strong and thick.
Come on.
Special.
Your touch is different. Oh, everything you do is so special. Your touch is different.
Hi, Queen. It's been 3 hours since Aiden went in with Goma. It's taking too long.
Your friend is pretty occupied. He's enjoying the VIP treatment from my madam.
Oh wow, this is really serious. In that case, I would have to leave. I can't keep waiting. At least I should take my own takeaway package home. Eh?
Yeah.
When he comes out, tell him I've been trying to call him, but he's not picking up.
Okay, I'll deliver your message.
All right, sir. Where's Zara?
She's coming. Hey.
Ready to go. All right, so Queen, you take care of yourself, eh?
Yeah, please take good care of her for me.
Come on, you don't mention. You know, I'll take. She's my baby.
Alright.
Enjoy
yourself. Alright.
Enjoy yourself.
Yeah, sure.
Oh God, my special. You are truly magical. Your touch. Your touch is amazing. Your touch. Oh, come on. You're an angel. You're an angel sent from above. With such a gift of touch. Oh, darling. I know how to die here. Arrest me. Arrest me, baby. Oh, yes. Do it to me, baby. Give it to me. Oh, your touch. Anybody here? Who is that? Oh.
I greet you, sir.
How are you? Yeah, thank you.
Okay, wait. Hold on, sir. God bless you, sir.
You're a very funny human being. You didn't ask that outside.
Sir, that one day, I'm back. I was supposed to know where they go.
It's alright. I think I know what you need. If I use something, you can keep this.
Oh, correct, sir. Chief.
I hear you now?
We full alacrity, sir. So I'm going to open up for you. Everywhere good. Oh, correct, sir. Chief. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
All these men. 2K this men. We are good. This
sky, baby. Let it keep coming. Let the alerts keep coming. I don't care, let it keep coming.
Are you sure?
What is life without some pleasure? What is life without Okoma special?
That is your 5th alert.
I don't care.
You want to continue?
I can't stop. I am yet to taste the special inside the special.
Okay.
Oh,
Then let's get to business.
I'm ready for business, girl.
How ready are you? For business?
Oh.
Are you sure you're ready?
Oh my God. Oh, come back. Oh, I need you. Huh? Oh, you started this. Oh, shit. Oh. The touch. It's the problem. The problem is in the touch. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Manager.
Chief.
You know I'm very interested. Let me go for my special, inside special.
I'm sorry, Chief. She's fully booked. Ugoma Special is fully booked. Presently unavailable. For now. I'm sorry.
It's all right. Let me manage Zara, but feed me and take away.
All right. Sarah.
Chief, pick me now. Forget what they look.
Oh, my bad. Chief, she is actually on promo. We are giving 10% discount on anybody that will go and chop this meat.
I'm sorry, manager. I will rather wait for Zara.
Chief, it's like you didn't hear what I said, sir. Okay, we can increase the discount. We can give you for 20%.
Manager, I said even for 50% I will not. Let me wait for Zara.
50% you don't?
No. No, not at all.
Okay.
Chief, what did you wait for? No, maybe this one.
Chief, Sarah will be with you in 2 hours, sir.
It's all right, thank you.
Right.
Please get me something to drink.
Chief, she will get you the juice.
Yeah, please, yeah.
You go now, me go get juice. Easy, you see they do on 50%, they don't want you.
Work hard for my money. You want me to spend it anyhow.
Manager, well done.
Now
you are can't see. Manager, I don't tire. I don't tire now. You not be starting now.
Instead of you to thank your God, say, man, I never sack you, they here, they open mouth, they tell me another thing. You think say about like that? you have to work on yourself. You dey hear wetin I dey tell you? No be to dey chop up and down. Now you dey say, na so you dey be. Behave yourself. Just come on for here. No dey talk all those kind of nonsense for my ear.
Is it not you?
How?
It's not your fault.
What do you mean by is it not me? How? What did I do?
Shebi na you the advertiser, Zara and Queen. Why you know they sing praises on me too now? Make customer they carry me.
You think say about to dey sing praise? Even if I sing your praise from now till infinity, nothing will change. Now one thing na to sing praise now for the praises to enter the right source. That's why even God as God did, even if you want to give and worship and pray, you will pass through his son. Where person want to pass through you? Instead of you to think of how you go take work on yourself. Get presentable, reduce food, see your belly. Waiting I want to client now. If I want sing your praise to client, waiting I want to client. Oh, she's plumpy with a big tummy. You dey run that kind of thing for this kind of time. Work on yourself before you go come back to me say make I dey advertise you. Because when I look at you, I don't know what to advertise. Where is your selling point? Your belly cannot be bigger than your nyash. It's an error. Your nyash supposed to be past your belly, but when it's the other way around, your market no go sell. See your list now. See everything. Me. No. Now if we here. Because we know they open book for una.
Manager, I don't blame you.
I beg come on for you. I get better.
I don't blame you. Not your fault. I don't blame you.
Okay. No wahala now. Now here we dey now. Okay, wetin I want tell customer now? Wetin I want talk now? Say customer come now. I don't understand. Nyash is not well molded. He just even blah. Yeah, wait. Can nobody talk with you? I'm not supposed to talk.
Oh, manager.
So you just die open leg. Okay, everything okay. Chief.
Well, manager, you know, they say when the desirable is not available, the available becomes desirable.
Of course.
So, since I'm already here, let me manage Obumneke whilst I wait for Sarah.
What is switch? But Chief, I hope you're not under any kind of duress or anything.
No, not at all. Not at all. Since you people are on promo.
Okay. So you want to take advantage of the 20% promo? It's okay. Okay. Over to you now. Change your position,
manager.
It's alright. I'll be there.
Would you like to? Oh yeah, that's so. You are well loaded. It's alright, don't worry. I'll be handling you now.
Your section is over, mister.
Can you see my home tonight?
500,000 naira only.
Yeah, you guys still have my card. Money is nothing.
How many of your on buttons did I touch correctly?
You are Miss Right, Ogoma. There's nowhere you haven't touched. There is no amount of sensation you haven't arisen in me. I don't know how you do it. It's like a gift to your hands. Every time you touch me, I feel like screaming in ecstasy. And I just want more and more and more of you. It's crazy.
Back to business then.
Oh, Yeah. Back to business. Ah.
This life is sweet.
Yes, sir.
You make your money, you enjoy your money. Put it. Put it. No, put it. Put it now.
Chief. How you doing now?
Chop life, you die. No chop life, you die. Why not chop life and die?
Be careful more. Finish down with it.
Let me finish this one.
You said, no, they sabi the enjoyment.
I'm watching my height.
Chief.
Forget this thing you are robbing me. There is no need to play lovey. All I'm doing here is just to manage you and wait for Zara now. Let us not change the...
Open your mouth. You careful more.
Just give me. Let me. What is the meaning of this?
You are sitting down here enjoying, opening your mouth like dog. Eh? Oh, this one that I'm doing you, I'm paying you back. It's payback time.
So you have the mind to rub stew on my face?
Yes, now.
Somebody I'm trying to help. Manager!
Chief!
Look at what this buffon did to my face. Look at my face. Rubbing oil on my face. Somebody I'm managing, trying to help us.
I don't understand. What is causing this misunderstanding? What happened? I'm so sorry, Chief. Please, Chief, sorry. Let's just get you cleaned up, sir. I'm so sorry.
It's alright.
I'm so sorry. I'll see to this now, sir. I'm so sorry. Chief, please, just...
You will hear from me.
Nothing. Don't do me anything.
What's they worry you now? I just shoot there. What's make you rub stew for Chief face like that?
I beg, leave me, Gary.
No, they talk to me like that. They talk to
Let's
you.
happen.
I don't want to know.
Let's be asking what's
Why
happen.
you don't cry for me? After you go to complain, say they don't carry you. You go complain, say men don't pick you. All this kind of attitude, that men want to pick you. Now, Chief don't get you. Use the opportunity to pick you. You say to align with Chief. Person get money.
This one
don't
Chief.
misbehave.
This one Chief. Person they carry me a second option. Now me I'm gonna fall in love with.
Okay. Oh, now I see. Because they carry a second option, I make you the para. Do you know say the second option you be for para when they do lovey? Okay, now pretend you be the pretend.
Yes, so.
You don't come in and call the pay the man back.
Yes, so I need to pay him back.
No bonanza you dey. No promo you dey. No be giving when you dey. When you don't worry yourself, you will behave yourself. Now this attitude you go behave now, man, hear this, they will sack you. They will sack you.
If I hear, me will already sack myself. I don't sack myself. I'm an artist now waiting now. I come this place, I escort people come Lagos.
True.
I dey escort people come for work. For waiting now. Other men go come, only Zara and Queen and they carry. Waiting to me.
Okay.
I'm not complete.
Okay, the frustration be that. Now you can carry everything they put for meat and stew.
Manager. If not for manager sake where you be.
Behave yourself.
I will change her for you. I will change her for you. Now they carry me the new second option for this place. I say I follow people come Lagos. Now the same thing when I find come, now I find come. Oh, condition of you. Come again now, go use the phone. Now I'm going to scatter your mouth with you. Decrease. As Zara and Queen, only the day. Me no day. Nonsense. Come and sack me now. Me I don't sack myself. I go come out for this company. I don't work again. Not be by force.
You are so funny.
And you were so lovely and homely.
I'm just doing my job.
Oh. Well, you do your job very well then.
Thank you.
You know,
Let's make a toast first.
Okay.
To more business. You were saying?
Do you treat every customer like you treat me? Do you make them feel exactly the way you make me feel? Or am I different? Am I, special?
You bought the Ogoma special inside special. So you get everything special.
That's not what I was expecting.
What were you expecting?
I was expecting you to say you treat me a little different because I'm cute and you like me and I pay well.
I meet very cute, rich, and likable men every day. Wakey. Good morning, cutie.
What? It's morning already?
Yes. And like they say, time waits for no man, so make use of the time while the clock ticks. I watched you sleep for the most part of the night.
You did?
Don't you have work to be at?
Yeah. I have to go to work. Oh, God. You know what? I want to put in for a takeaway. Takeaway pack. Ogoma special, inside special, home service. Can I have that for today?
That's going to cost you so much.
Money ain't a thing, girl.
All right. Drop your address with my manager on your way out.
All right. But can I have one for the road? Please.
Your time is up. Get going.
Oh, man.
Come on, man. You got me worried. What happened?
Man, I had fun. I'm talking about premium fun, premium enjoyment. Finally, I found a way to enjoy my wealth, to maximize my enjoyment, brother.
Wait. Don't tell me you slept here last night.
Did you come home drunk last night? Oh, you didn't come home drunk. I didn't sleep home night. You asked me, don't tell you. What should you?
That's fine.
What should I say to you?
That's fine. So, did you recover your ATM?
My ATM was screaming for help, but I paid it no attention. I was just on chilling, like groove. I was grooving.
Sincerely, you're the real definition of Oliver Twist.
Bro, look, I had the best weekend of my life. Thank you for introducing me to Ogoma Special. That's a real special, What?
Oh, yeah, the fun is over. The weekend is over. Today is Monday, so can we go to work now?
What? Oh, man. Go to work. If not for those people coming from Abuja and those clients, I won't go to work today. I prefer working from the house, man.
Why? Why would you want to work from home?
Because Ogoma is coming to the house. She's coming home to give me the home special.
No. You're joking.
No, I'm not kidding, man. She'll be here by 4 p.m. Yes! You know what? Let me go and change, yeah? Take a shower quickly. Give me 10 minutes. I'm riding with you, okay? Oh, man.
No.
What? It's called Ogoma Special.
Bro, you're beginning to look like a finished man.
Man! That is the true definition of a good time, man. I had a fantastic time, brother.
Uma is coming here. No, I don't believe it. I can't understand what is happening. Hey.
Look at them. You people have seen envelopes now. You're smiling.
Madam, the
You
mother.
can't close your teeth. Oh, boom neck. My one and only local spice.
And what I think?
This is yours.
Thank you. Email of mama.
Zara, baby.
My sexy mom.
My tall glass of champagne.
My sexy mama.
There you go.
Thank you.
The sweetest of them all. See the way she's saying it.
Mama Mia.
Very sexy.
Thank
Yes,
you.
yes.
Thank you, Mom.
My manager.
Madam.
The one and only manager. See, after you, now still you. For the inside special, now you.
Thank you, madam.
Yes.
Thank you, ma.
This is my way of saying well done for a beautiful and fruitful week. And to encourage us to work harder this week.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Zara?
Yes, ma'am.
You're up for content creation.
Yes, ma'am.
Make a video of what you have in mind and send to me.
I have a goal.
Beautiful.
Mother, what about me? I'm very creative. Give me something to do now.
Open neke.
Ma.
When we have a need for comic content, you will have something to do. For now, let's focus strictly on business.
Exactly. No, this is not for full challenge.
Oh, goodness.
Ma, what about me? It's been a while I got posted in the platform.
Who be this? Who they talk? I be the Chris.
Can you both not do that in my presence?
Sorry, ma.
Queen, you'll be up next week.
Thank you, Ma.
You girls can go back to your station.
Thank you, ma.
Zara,
Sorry, ma.
what did I say about your movement? You swing it when you walk.
Swing.
Swing it, yes, one after the other. That's my girl. My foreign spice. That's more like it. That's great.
It's over.
I remember they carry I come up on my body.
Man, I thought you said they should swing it. Why is she moving? Why is she doing blah blah blah?
Friday, I have to go get ready for my home service. Book me a taxi. I do not want to go there with my car.
Okay, madam, sorry to disturb you. Concerning this your home service, Chief has been disturbing. He has been patient. He has been disturbing me.
Oh, forget about Chief. This, my client, is a big fish and I cannot afford to lose him.
Okay, I'm sorry, ma. One more thing, ma. Chief is ready to double the amount. He's very serious.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Book him in for 3 hours.
Okay.
Yes. Let's see how we can maximize the day.
No, 3 hours is enough.
So that envelope can...
Yeah, come on. 3 hours. What do you want them to do? 3 hours. 3 hours to maximize the contours.
Hey, man.
Hey, what's up?
I'm okay. What's up, man? Good you're here. It's almost 2 p.m.
That is why I'm here.
Okay.
Well, they called to inform me that they missed their flight, so they're asking that we reschedule.
Great.
Great.
Yeah, because I have to go.
Go here. We still have a meeting with Little Mind Tech.
You can take care of that.
And where are you off to?
I have to get home before she gets there.
Who are we talking about?
Have you forgotten? Ugoma. I told you she was going to come to the house, right? The special kind of stuff, you know. Ugoma is special.
So you're going to leave the meeting because you have to get home before Ugoma comes?
Bro, I assure you, if you make me to stay, if I stay for this meeting, I will be so useless, you wish I was never there. So let me go, alright? Bro, catch up, alright? Oh.
You're serious about it?
Very serious, man. Okay.
You like it?
Very well, very well. Let me take some more. This is like something else. Are you sure it's just this wine?
Wait till you taste the main dish. The Ugoma special, inside special.
Inside?
Yes, inside.
This is Ugoma. I am waiting for the inside special.
Chief.
This is where I spend my money.
Very smart man.
Yeah, hello.
Suki got the wrong number.
This is Friday, the manager from Ugoma Special. How may I help you?
I want to talk to Ugoma.
Sorry, sir, she's not available at the moment.
What do you mean she's not available? Look, I paid for Ugoma special. You know, the side special, the inside kind of special home service stuff. I paid for it and I'm yet to see her. What's going on?
Well, like I said, sir, she's not available at the moment. I'm sure she will get back to you when she's free.
What do you mean she's not available right now? Are you joking with me? Huh?
Sir, please, she's not available, sir.
Is this a prank or something? Why would Ugoma give me her business number instead of a personal number? No. This one's not going to work with me. Oh. No, not me. It's not going to work. I said, where is Ugoma?
So I've been saying this thing over and over again. She's not available, sir.
What do you mean she's not available? I paid for her for today. A full day.
Sir, she's booked. Fully booked. How can you book somebody that's been booked?
How can she be fully booked now? I don't understand. I booked her for today. I slept with Ugoma, woke up, had breakfast, paid for another full day. How can you tell me that she's fully booked now? I can see you are trying to manipulate things here, and I see in your eyes.
Sir, with all due respect, leave my eyes. Now, so big. They see different people here. That's why I don't look at clients. Don't say they fear anybody. Sir, what I'm trying to tell you is that she is fully booked. You say you did with her before. As I speak to you right now, she's with another client. All you need to do is to go back. She will come and meet you.
How can she be with another client now? Guy, this is cheating. This is cheating. She's cheating on me. I cannot take it. It's not fair.
Point of correction, we don't accept that language here. Nobody they cheat on anybody. Sir, it's free to air. If you reach your turn, you catch am. Nothing like cheat. Nobody they cheat. Sir, please don't go and catch feelings for your own good. As I'm saying, just go. When it's time, she will come and meet you, and that's it.
Should I go inside and pull her out? Because I don't understand. I paid for today. You are telling me that I can't because she's with another client. What's the meaning of that now?
I already know that when it comes to Pekus matter, men used to vibrate. I have a standing order to let you know that in case you want to create a scene here, we'll refund you back your money.
Refund me what?
Yes, sir.
Which money?
The money you.
What are you going to use the money do?
I don't know.
I don't want the money. I want Ogoma. That's what I pay for.
I am feeling for you because there's so much vein in your head. Why will you be vibrating like this? Because of Pekus?
Because I want her.
You can't be using that for me. You calm down. I put this matter with the talk. I'm a man like you. You reason with me, but just calm down. There's nothing I can do at this point. I'm so sorry.
Hey! Okay, all right. You know what? You know what? I'm calm. You're not a bad guy. I can see you. You're trying to talk me out of creating problems. You're a good guy. What can I do to have Ugoma? Because I really need Ugoma, like now.
Hey, that's what you will say. We'll do this for brotherhood. Forget the situation of things. Man talk to man. See, let me tell you. She's with a client. And the truth is that client actually doubled the amount that you paid. There's a sweet food na money na killer. So you know what to do now. What are you talking about doing? You need to triple that doings. You understand me?
Talk no more. Okay, take this.
Same pin.
Same
like
pin. Same pin.
Alright. Sir, sorry to say, did you take something? Because the way you are vibrating.
I've been waiting patiently the whole day.
Okay, it's okay.
You know, since this morning I left her.
It's okay.
So I
Just
think
say
my body is
okay,
behaving like the way it is. It's not...
Chief, sorry to interrupt you. I need to speak to my mother.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Mother, Mr. Aiden has won the bidding for today. You know what that means? You need to terminate this meeting now.
Yes. Get my home service kit ready.
Alright. Alright, ma.
Yes. Chief, I'm afraid we have to reschedule.
But...
No buts. If you protest, you will never see me again.
Come inside, huh? Have a seat, mademoiselle.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What do I get you to drink?
Nothing.
Nothing. All right.
Can I ask what you do for a living?
You have nothing to worry about. I work legitimately. I'm not a fraudster. I'm not a ritualist.
So you want me to wallow in assumptions?
You know, the way you speak, the way you sound makes me to wonder how educated you are.
You won't get it, so don't bother trying.
I want to know you. I'm not in a rush to know you, but I really want to know you.
Well, I do not entertain sentiments. Neither am I a lover.
Who told you I'm talking about love here? Unless, of course, we have mutual feelings for each other.
My manager will make a refund of all the money you've sent today. Have a great day.
Goma. Hey. I'm sorry. Let's get back to business. Strictly business. Okay. So.
Hello.
Hi. Guma. Nice to see you.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Yeah, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you. Have a seat.
Where is he?
He's upstairs.
Oh, okay. What is this pleasant aroma I perceive?
I'm making something delicious.
Oh,
Are you
wow.
interested?
Of course I am.
Okay, I'll fetch you some when it's ready.
Thank you. I'd really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Let me get your friend for you.
That's fine. I can imagine the kind of treats that Eden will be receiving right now. Man, if I spend one more minute on this place, I might just lose my sanity.
So why you didn't let me kiss you when we made love?
No kissing. I am neither your wife nor your girlfriend.
Oh, come on. What is love making without kissing?
Aiden, I have told you to stop being too passionate. We are not supposed to have any connections.
Oh my God. All right, maybe I just can't. Maybe I just can't help it. Because I'm so drawn to you. I'm so into you every single moment we spend together.
You have 1 hour left. Would you like to use it wisely? Or do you want to keep yapping about your fantasies?
Okay, all right. Reality check, right? What if I want to pay for more time, like extra time? Am I allowed to talk about my fantasies?
Be my guest. Your money, my time.
Can I pay to kiss you?
I can see you have a lot of money to throw around, don't you?
A lot to keep you with me forever.
You can't buy me.
You want to bet?
Your fantasy talk is becoming boring, and I do not enjoy boring talks.
Okay. I get it. I'll get us something to drink. Strong?
Yes, please.
All right. wickedness in high places.
What do you mean?
Why are you taunting me?
What am I doing?
Oh.
You have about 45 minutes left. Let me help you. Spend it wisely. Do me a favor.
Okay.
Call my name.
Ogoma. Ogoma is special. 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 Oh, Ogoma.
Threesome will be so much fun, you know?
What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
Have you gone bonkers?
What have I done wrong? Huh?
What do you want to do? Touch me? What?
Is she not a call girl? Is she here for you? Come on, bro. I was just politely asking for threesome. What have I done wrong?
Threesome kill you there. You want threesome?
What have I done? All I did was ask politely for threesome. Come on, man. Stop being greedy. Later you say I'm your friend. And you want to be enjoying all that alone. Huh?
Are you drunk?
Eden, you should know sharing is caring. I'm your friend. You can't be enjoying all of those stuff alone.
What? Just leave. Just go home. Alright?
Eden!
Dad, get out, man.
What have I done wrong?
You done spoiled my whole stuff.
Eden, sharing is caring, no. I'm your friend. But look at that ass.
So, sir, I will start by introducing the one by my right here. Her name is Zara. Zara is a machine. I call her the German machine. Full breed. Watery, juicy. When it comes to satisfying a man on bed, she will finish work. She's a juicy girl. She is clean water. Oh yeah, like she will lick you. She was trained by the madam herself. In fact, after the madam, she is the next.
Manager, now this kind of thing I know like. Why are you hyping Zara now? She was trained by madam and I was trained by who?
By a goat. Now goat trained a craze. You know what manager do you work? You don't mad? When I walk you?
I don't understand. When this man came in here, I saw the way he was looking at me.
Look you.
He was staring at me and I know it's me he won.
You get cowbell. Come up for the craze. The man not there making choose. You go choose over me for what? You get option.
My friend, will you stop this rubbish? Where you the one now?
Not first,
my friend is now going to do all this rubbish.
Manager, not beside they support Queen. Not beside they support Queen. Now see you said they take spoil runs for me. People go enter here, won't carry me, go say no because he gets Zara and Queen. If you say na madam train them, now who can't train us? So me I don't enter class now.
I don't understand. Why they talk about us? I don't get it.
This one they praise.
I beg, don't try am. You and you know they the same league. Not try am for your life.
No, beside they support you.
I beg, get out.
Thunder fire you.
See this person, no. I dey talk about myself. This.
You know because they support you.
Get out.
You know that's love.
No, sir. Sir, what are you doing? Sir, hold on. Sir, wait, sir.
And I don't clear now.
Who's laughing? Don't get customer.
Hustle, you know go keep quiet. Nobody has nothing go do.
I will finish you for you. I go enter you for you. I beg get out because of separate they keep quiet. Fuck off, nigga. They don't keep
Zara.
You
like to
who you have?
He dey shake. He dey shake.
Look, I told you I'm sorry for. Sure.
He was very conscious of his actions.
Oh, so now you want to punish me for another man's action? Huh? Please, come on.
I don't feel safe here anymore.
Why would you say that? You think he will rape you or do something to you?
He could do anything.
No. Dennis is a good guy. He's harmless. He won't harm you.
I beg to differ. The fact that he was unremorseful tells me otherwise.
Please stay. Safe. Nothing will happen to you. Please.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because if your friend can actually do what I fear, I don't see you defending me.
I defended you. I scolded him in front of you.
You scolded him. Aiden, if I were to be your woman, would you do more than scolding him?
What, do you expect me to fight my friend because of you?
No, not at all. Which is why I have to leave. And please, do not try to stop me, because that would be you holding me against my wish. And that's a crime. Are you outside? All right, I'm coming. Are you girls stupid? Are you here to compete for the most beautiful girl in Nigeria or to make money?
Here to make money.
Then what is the meaning of this?
I'm sorry, ma.
If you had successfully disfigured your faces, how will you make money?
Madam, if say they don't scatter their face, now me from the next in line now. Why not they look me?
Are you dumb? Does this look like a joke to you? Do you know how many girls are in my DM begging me for this opportunity, yet you have it and you're misbehaving?
I'm sorry. I am sorry. Sorry. I'm very sorry.
Riffraffs.
Una go behave, una go respect una self. Small thing na 2 seconds, I go comot una for this house. May no be say wetin una go come talk person. I mean, when I go inside, when I go wash una because when I go walk.
We do say manager, I'm not talking.
I say when I come up for here.
I'm sorry. You they will talk. I'm not talking about who man they talk, they praise or whom they keep.
Yeah.
Hey.
Madam, good evening, ma.
Good evening, Okon. Manager?
Yes,
What is it? You sent me a message.
yes. Okunie has a request now.
Okon. Okay, let's hear it.
Madam, thank you for your listening ear. You know, say I never marry. And I get serious girlfriend with me and I'm do relationship. From relationship, I tell her I go ma. And we come later.
Okon, just go straight to the point now. Madam, no get all this time.
Okay, madam. My waist don't full. And
Your waist, so. What are you saying and why are you telling me all this?
madam, as your faithful and loyal staff, I want to make a humble request.
Go ahead.
Okay, madam. I want you to do giveaway for me. Do giveaway for me with one of the girls so that they can pamper my waist and touch my waist.
Oh, wait. Friday, is he drunk?
No, madam. I knew this. I knew this was going to make you laugh.
You want me to do giveaway with you?
Madam, no be joke. Oh. Madam, even if na obum neke, give me. I go fit manage am.
What?
Yeah, madam.
Manage your...
Oh my God. Okon,
Madam.
you want to manage on Buneke?
Yes, madam.
This is so embarrassing.
They get update. Okay.
Okay, Okon, Friday will give you 20,000 naira so you can go into the streets and find your class.
Madam, hold 10,000. Give me obum neke.
We don't get guests. Go get.
Madam,
Oh my goodness.
For 10K. Even if you do promo now, you're coming. I'm not coming for that, please.
Wow.
Madam,
He has balls.
please, I'm so sorry. You know, I noticed that you're in a very light mood. I said, okay, let him just come and, add, a little laughter to your day. I didn't know that other part too.
I hope Obumneke doesn't get to hear this.
I hope so too, ma.
Oh, you say I have a guest. Who's that?
Yes, I think someone just drove in.
I'm not available, please.
Thank you.
welcome.
Yes, sir. I'm here to see Ogama. Oh, sir, I'm sorry, she's not available, sir.
You know, I don't like this word you use, unavailable. What is wrong with you? I want to see her.
Sir, you are sounding as if it's my fault. I am following instructions, sir.
Tell Ogoma I'm here to see her, okay?
Well, I'm sorry, I can't deliver that message to her.
Alright. Then, I'm not going anywhere. I'll wait until you call.
Sir, there's no point. Well, if that's okay, if that's what you want, it's okay. I can't force you. I mean, we have vacant rooms. But sir, you can't wait now. It's not that serious now. Just go. I will let her know. Then she'll call you.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm waiting for her.
Wait, is it because of Kwekus you are behaving like this? The way you are doing it is as if maybe
Friday?
there's war also.
Friday?
It's okay. Let me go in. If you want to stay, no stay. I wonder what Madam carry for Kwekus. No, hey, wow. Madam, Mr. Aiden is still around though. He said he will not leave until he sees you.
Get the girls to give him a treat. Let's see how long he can resist them.
Alright, Zara is booked already.
Then let Queen do it. She has to come out late.
Alright then.
If he insists, let me know.
Okay, no problem.
Friday,
Yes, ma'am.
book Queen for him as a compliment from me. I won't be seeing him.
Alright, no problem. Mr. Aiden, after a lot of consideration, I said let me give you this update. Meet Queen, factory fitted German machine. She has the German juice. Everything you see here is full look-on. We have decided that we'll give you Queen as a compliment from Madame. You are not paying, just to calm you down. Madame said we should just give you this as a special offer. You understand? So Queen, that's the client.
Mr. Aiden, you're about to experience the most intriguing night of your life.
Show me what you got. Don't plenty words. You know I know my way around. Friday?
Boss, you know I know my way around here, right?
Sir, I don't understand.
Take me to Ogoma, or I will be forced to go up myself.
Sir, I try to understand. I'm following instructions. Do you understand me? Nobody really wants things here.
Okay, Friday, I'll take the blame. Okay,
Sir. No. Sir, hey, sir, come. Hey!
I've never told anyone my story.
It's okay if you don't feel comfortable enough to talk about it.
I was once a cook in a 5-star restaurant. My madam would send me to the houses of single men for home service. And on several occasions, they raped me. My madam never acted upon the harassment. They kept raping me until I got used to it. At some point, when I went for home service, I looked forward to getting laid, which brought about the concept of Ugoma Special. I made sure I started with all my madam's clients. I took every single one of her customers, became a brand, and I decided to open a social media account so I could be more outstanding. Ever since then, I never regretted any of it. Ugoma Special on social media as a disguise to what we actually do here.
Wow. Wow.
I never liked the concept of love, but I can feel my heart panting for you.
You think this is love?
Maybe.
What if it is? What if it's love? Hey, where are you going?
I'm helplessly losing myself to you, and I do not like it.
Ogoma. I've never loved. But this is different. I don't know what it is. But I know it's something special. I don't ever want it to stop. So please, Ogoma, please, let us not quench what this feels like.
Honestly, at this point, I want to say I am sorry. Like, I am truly sorry for everything that happened yesterday.
It's okay, I was wrong too.
We both were wrong. I mean, we're supposed to work like team, work together and make things easy.
Yeah, you're right. And not fight every time.
And Queen, I don't know about you, but for me, I'm getting tired of this job. I'm tired. Like, I mean, anything can happen. The person will carry disease for just.
Why? Did you sleep with anyone without protection?
No, but anything can happen.
You're right. And aside from venereal diseases, anything more worse.
Babe, na festive period you do.
Telling you, this Ember months, we need to be on guard. Like, it's a very dangerous.
Extremely careful. See, you see this period, honestly, I want to hustle money. Hustle back to back. Anyhow, I be major rush the money, anyhow. The money I don't save before, add the one for this, the festive, the money they come. Just merge it together, gather. Either I come out or jackpot.
You don't tell madam.
Shh, they shout now. Tell which madam. I say I want jackpot. I say.
You no go tell her.
Tell her waiting. Babe, you never tire. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Mama, you get plans soon. Get plans. I don't even think reach that side.
I don't think I've missed. I just hope for everything comes out clean.
Yes, when you put your mind to anything to work out for you, anything.
Of course, I know.
Yeah.
Wish me well.
Of course, my friend. I wish you well. I wish you well.
What is it? You don't want takeaway?
No. I just want to be around you the whole morning without doing anything.
Wow. So you're not going to work?
I'm afraid to go to work. I don't want anybody to take my place.
Is that why you're not picking your friend's call?
I know why he's calling.
You should at least hear what he has to say.
He can handle it. What if I'm not around? Okay, let's just say I'm on vacation right now.
You're not serious. You should get going so I can prepare for work.
Hey, come right back here. I pay for the whole day.
What?
Mm-hmm.
When?
Look. Let's enjoy the morning. Let's have some beautiful time together. Okay. Do you even enjoy my company?
Nope. What I do enjoy is your touch.
Oh.
Yes.
I thought you were the one.
You know how to touch me in the appropriate places.
I thought you were the one with the magic touch.
Oh, really? Like this?
So.
This is insane.
What?
I don't want to do this with you, but I find myself doing it.
Maybe this is fate. Huh?
Fate. What interests you besides fucking me?
Nature. Beauty. Like I enjoy watching you. You are so freaking beautiful.
Chief. You're really enjoying yourself. Hope you're enjoying yourself.
Of course, I enjoy myself. I'm enjoying myself.
You're welcome.
Thank you. In fact, I am in the mood for something large today. I mean, extra large. Come.
Chief.
This is room and parlor plus boys' quarter. Let's make use of your room. Let's go to your room. Lead the way. I cannot carry you. I would have carried you from here. Chief.
You're so beautiful.
Am I?
Look at your teeth.
Oh, please.
Perfect.
Really?
Who's that?
It's Friday.
Oh.
What is it, Friday? Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. You'll see me later.
Oh no, can't even take this.
This is like the 10th time that number is calling you. Are you sure that's not your girlfriend?
Stannis, are you jealous already?
Jealous?
Tell me, are you jealous?
I'm not jealous. I'm a businesswoman and you know that.
It's good to be jealous.
I'm a businesswoman.
I'm happy when
It's
you're
strictly
jealous.
business, excuse me.
Let me pick the score. I'm happy
Pick it.
when you're jealous.
Look, I don't care if that's your wife. Go ahead.
Come on, you shut up. You're already
You
jealous.
want me to say hi to her?
Hello, Dennis.
Aiden, what is wrong with you? Where are you?
You've been calling my phone. What's up?
The clients from Abuja are ready to seal up this deal.
Dennis, you can take care of it.
Aiden, you don't want me to come to that house and create a scene?
You can't. They won't even allow you inside. I don't leave a word.
The meeting is in 30 minutes. I already gave them my word.
Okay, I'll be there in 20 minutes. Do you have the MOU?
Yeah, I'm on my way to the lawyer to get it.
All right. I'll see you at the office.
All right, that is fine. Fine.
Was that Dennis or Denisa?
Are you satisfied? You heard his voice.
I
Come
heard
on.
his voice.
Are you satisfied?
Yes, I am.
Should be getting jealous. That's nice.
No, I wasn't jealous.
You are.
No, I wasn't. Yes.
Madam, I don't understand. What's going on?
What's going on where?
I'm talking about you and this Mr. Aiden. What is really going on between the both of you? Because from where I am standing, I feel like, Madam, I don't want to say you are falling, or there's this closeness that I'm saying that is not good for business. Whatever you are doing or whatever you have in mind, always remember that Mr. Aiden is one of the highest paying clients that we have. And as a man, I know that once this man begin legit you now, will they drop again. And it's not good for business. Don't forget, these girls are watching. If they come begin to legit all the clients or the corner clients, what will happen to us? That means we will not go do business again. Unless you want us to crash the business.
So I am saying you have to guard your heart with pouch and bulletproof. Don't go and fall. Forget about this thing. I don't see that guy here, no matter how sweet he is, but you have been there, you have done it, you have conquered the world. What do you want? I won't tell you again. Let's stay focused, madam, I beg. Because this trolling movement, before you know that, you will catch feelings. I beg. Please stay focused, madam, I beg. Let's see what day and our business will come off for person hand.
What is really going on? I can't even find answers to my own questions. How much more that which is put to me by someone else? This feels so right. But I need to be careful so I don't let it affect my business. I think I should stop him from coming here henceforth. That way, whatever happens between us will not affect business.
Bro, that girl is fantastic. I am so in love with her. I'm gonna marry her.
Yeah, come on, man. You're joking. You can't be serious.
Do I look like I'm serious. I'm gonna marry her.
You're seriously going to get married to a call girl, a professional no show?
That's my business, not your business, right?
Oh, really? It's my business. Then watch me tell everybody who she really is.
Wait.
I'll make sure I expose her identity to everybody.
Wait, do I look like I'm trying to hide her identity from people?
Really?
I don't care, bro.
Oh, wow. You must be insane. You are insane.
I am in love. That's what you should say. I am in love. And you should be happy that you have a friend who is in love for the first time.
On the contrary, bro, I should be taking you to the church for proper deliverance. Or better still, maybe I should just take you to the hospital.
Oh,
psychiatric hospital.
Come on. Why are you taking this so serious, right? Come on. Love is a beautiful thing.
Bro, this has nothing to do with love. This is lust or infatuation. Nothing close to love, trust me.
Alright. Keep doubting. You'll be doubting until the day you find yourself on the altar, standing as my best man. That's when you say, wow, this is really happening. This is really happening.
Never. It's not happening. That can never be.
It's not happening.
Never.
Thank God you're not my father. Because if you're my father, then I was that worried. He said it's not happening. Bro, it is happening.
You're becoming too serious, right? Are you serious about this?
Don't look like I'm joking. I am stupidly in love with that girl. Like, I really love her. I'm not letting her go. Well, I mean, it's all business. Clients should be on the way by now.
Yeah. It should be.
Yeah. I know you said joking.
Yeah. This is interesting part. Not so.
Okay. But.
Welcome, Chief.
Oh, thank you very much.
Chief, what can I offer you?
Oh, thank you very much. I want the Ugoma special, inside special.
Very well. Please just relax. I will let my madam know of your order.
It's all right.
I'll be back, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. Hey. I enjoy life.
So you need to understand.
Well, manager, the only way I will accept that is when it is twosome between Zara and Queen. If not that, nothing.
Twosome?
Yes.
Sir, it's not like it's a bad thing. It's just that, sir, do you have the capacity to do twosome?
Manager, look, I am capable and able.
Sir, you go wound, like, you go call her to.
Allow me to wound the wound now. Is it not my wound?
That's true. That's true.
Let me wound the wound.
It's your wound. It's your wound, actually. Ah.
Yeah.
Sir, these guys, they leak ear, they leak balls, they leak. Sir.
Don't worry. Is it not my ear?
Okay, no problem. I assure you, you are up for a treat.
It's all right. It's all right.
Ladies.
Sir, the rest assured that we have the best hands to handle this.
Yeah. So, Mr. Eden, do you think we will need a third party in this?
Mr. Eden loves straightforward deals.
Yeah, I love to deal with people more personally, like one-on-one. It's perfect for me.
It's fine. So, can I have the memorandum of understanding so we can be on the same page?
Yeah, I think this is
yeah. Okay.
Alright.
Sir, you can take your time and study it carefully.
Yeah. So, like I said, when we're done with it, you guys will hear from us in 2 days.
Yes, sir. We will be waiting to hear from you, sir.
Alright. Thank you very much, Mr. Eden.
Okay, sir. You will have a
Wish we'll have success in this deal.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. All right.
What was that?
What?
What do you mean what? See, bro, you don't mental. The way you're going, you need a therapist. Alright. In summary, just tell me what we discussed with Mr. Leo.
Mr. Leo, we talked about the software that they're interested in the software. They're going to buy the software from us, and once they can be satisfied with the MOU, we're going to have an agreement, and then they're going to pay us the money.
What were you thinking about? You obviously lost in thought.
Dennis, I never knew love could be so beautiful.
Not as much. So you were thinking of Uguma in the middle of a business meeting?
I couldn't help it. I was seeing things. You have no idea the things I was seeing, man. I was just imagining what this. Whew.
You're obviously daydreaming. Yes, you're daydreaming to think that you could buy her loyalty by lavishing money. Yeah, you think lavishing money on her will make her stay loyal to you? So, what would happen is by the time she's done with you, just be rest assured that you can't buy her loyalty by lavishing money on her.
She loves me.
She said that?
I know. I can see it in her eyes when I talk to her. I can feel it when we're making love. She loves me.
Yeah. Be rest assured that when she's done eating your money, because right now all she sees is the money bag. By the time she's done with you, she'll move on to the next idiot like you that's ready to spend on her. You want to bet?
No. Speaking of the angel. Oh. Hello, TLC. Right away, darling. Right away. How did you get it? My gate man doesn't have my key.
I stole a spare when you were leaving my house.
Oh, just like you stole my heart, right?
You stole mine first.
I did.
I don't do marathon with my clients on the first date.
I thought I'd earned it.
Nope.
Because I paid for it.
You did not. Let's just say you stole a special spot in my heart. And I found myself yearning for more of your warmth. Take this as an honest confession.
I want you for keeps. Ogoma, I want to keep you. Would you let me keep you?
Is this a proposal?
Well, let's just call it an honest confession.
I see what you did there.
So, would you?
What do you think?
I miss you.
Come, let's go upstairs.
All right. I'll take you. Oh, come on. You can leave those. Ogoma, please don't say no. It will break me if you do.
Aiden, I'm not ready for commitment. I can't give you what you're asking for. I'm sorry.
It's okay. You can go. I don't like chasing shadows. You can leave.
Come on, Aiden. You don't expect me to abandon all I've labored for and jump into your arms. Ugoma's special cost me sweat and blood.
Hey, Chief, let me feel your machine.
Oh.
Hey! Wait. Let me do it. Let me do it. After me, you can do it.
Hey.
What's it? Chief. Eh? Chief. Yeah. Oh, manager. Chief. I don't die. Chief. Manager! Yeah! Zara, you are alright. Chief.
What happened to him?
I was touching the pillow and he was enjoying it. The next thing he just collapsed.
I don't talk and die.
No talk and die. I just
We
touch
don't even do anything.
I don't talk.
She dey give am head. Nothing serious.
Jesus Christ. I tell this man, say, he don't get the capacity to take two. He don't take the capacity to take two. So this man don't weak. This guy will have this one. What you now do am now? Now don't talk this man die.
No talk and die.
Now don't talk and die.
No, that be
They don't talk and die. Shh.
What is the emergency, Friday?
Hello, ma. Ma, we have a situation. I don't know what Queen and Zara did to Chief. He's lying lifeless here, ma.
What? How did it happen?
I think they talked him to death. What's that one, Akiba? Ma, they say they gave him Congo below. I know that this man is not really agile like that. I told them they are giving him twist of fate, all those robo style. He's not breathing, man.
Will you take him to the hospital immediately? What is wrong with you? Take him to the nearest hospital and send me the address.
Alright, ma. Alright. Thank you. See. Say more call Okon. Tell Okon that may come for that gate. May come help us. At least, as if they're saying they're naked.
He naked. Naked, though. Just say my just do one. Just say my just try and get one below.
Hey. Talk to me. What happened?
A man collapsed in the hands of one of my girls. Hayden, I think I'm in trouble.
Is he dead?
I don't know. Oh my goodness.
I heard you say they should take him to the hospital.
What if he's dead? What am I going to do?
You know what? Let's go and see what's happening.
You want to come with me?
Sure.
No, I don't think you should. I don't want you getting yourself involved in this mess.
I'm not going to leave you to handle things by yourself, am I? Come on, let's go. Where's my key? Right now we're coming to hold on for taking me to the hospital.
If anyone had told me that I would shut down Ugoma's special today, I would have given him or her a dirty slap. I had big plans. I wanted to grow it so big that I will have branches in top cities in Nigeria and even abroad. But here I am today, at a self-resolution. But I'm happy. I'm happy because I'm shutting down Ugoma's special with my own free will. And not because I am being dragged by anyone or the authorities.
Ma, I am more grateful, else this would have been worse and I would have been in prison by now.
Yes, Sarah. You're right. This ugly incident opened my eyes to the dangers of this business. God, I was so ashamed of myself. So much so that I couldn't say anything to defend my business because I wasn't proud of it. Guys, we need to stop it. We need to stop this business immediately and get something meaningful to do with our lives. When I was there, I was so embarrassed that I said to myself, once I leave this place, I'm shutting down this business. Please, especially for the ladies, we have to stop and get something genuine to do with our lives. Please.
Madam, na get man I be. Una business now affects me now. Even if you close una business, make I still be the gate man.
It's okay. Okon, I completely understand your fears. But I'm sorry that's not possible. I'm selling off this house. I can't afford to live here anymore. I don't want the memories of this place to affect my fresh start. Please.
That's a very nice plan.
You guys, just let's stop. I'm going to make a transfer of 2 million naira to each of you to help you with your fresh start.
Thank you so much, Ma.
Thank you, madam.
Get a business. Go to school, learn something, anything, but not this business, please. Especially for the ladies. I'm sorry that I introduced you to this kind of business, and I want you to find a place in your hearts to forgive me. But I will not be happy if after today you go back to this. Please. I'll make the transfer in your presence.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bro, honestly, the only way to convince me that Uguma is the right girl for you is if you accept to play this game.
What game are you talking about? You know I don't like playing games. Besides, matters of the heart.
Come on, bro, you have to play this one. Yeah, we'll conceal it. She wouldn't find out.
How?
Just let me handle it.
I don't know why you're even stressing yourself about this. Oguma has made it clear to me that she doesn't want to have anything serious to do with me. So, you just drop it, man. Alright?
You've been trying to convince her, right?
My heart tells me so. It's a matter of the heart, yeah. I like her much.
Well, the only way to confirm if love is actually true is after it has been tested.
You know what, Dennis? Just avoid Ogoma and I. Alright? Just avoid us. Just avoid it. Just stay away. Back off. You don't even understand the gravity of what you just did. I told you, you understand. Someone had trouble. They just managed to get out of it. I mean, they just barely managed to get out of it. Something so serious as that. And instead of you being sympathetic toward the case, what just happened? You are here criticizing the person. First thing you could do is criticize the person.
Come on, man. I already said I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, just to hell with your sorry. Don't need it.
Has he gotten to that now? I'm sorry, bro. I'm very sorry.
I don't care. couldn't wait for your call. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
What I want to do right now is to set up a 5-star restaurant. Yes.
But I'm kind of scared of
Before?
what it would take to make it meet up to standard. You know, the standard I envision.
Well, first of all, I mean, having the mind to want to set up a 5-star restaurant is amazing. And I love that about you.
You know, I'm a smart woman.
I know. So I love you. But what I want you to do, you know, before you worry about the standard, let's talk about the money, you know. No, it's going to take a lot of money, so I want you to just do a budget and share the budget with me. Let me see how I can support it.
No, Aiden. That will not be necessary.
What do you mean?
I have enough money. Yes, I will grow into the business, but I have my startup capital.
I understand, but I insist.
I insist too. You know, I just sold my house. 80 million naira. I don't need your money, Mr. Man.
You're stubborn. But think about it this way. I'm your man. And you're my woman.
There we go again.
I mean, I can't let you start up a new business afresh, all by yourself, bearing all the cost and everything, all the burden of the business just on your head. It makes me look weak.
Okay. So you want to look strong?
Yeah, it's your real man, you know.
Okay, man. I'll let you be the man as you want.
Please do.
The budget is 45 million.
Oh, you have it already.
And I have about 92 million naira. So how much are you giving me?
Oh, you're flexing your muscles now. Yeah.
Yeah, you said you want to help.
Flexing your muscles. You're flexing your muscles now.
Well, I'm very sorry. I didn't realize she was here.
No, it's fine. I actually want to use the restroom. So I'll excuse you both.
Yeah. I join you soon, okay?
So, bro, I've got good news.
What's up? What is it?
Yeah, those clients, they're willing to make payments this morning.
This morning?
Yeah, they just called me.
It's great. Fantastic. It's great.
Well, what that means is we have to rush to the office to work with the programmers so we can give them the code as soon as they make payments.
Not a problem. Just give me a few. I'll go and freshen up.
I'll do it.
Right. Oh, hey. I want you to go online and search for the most beautiful ring. I want to propose to Ugoma.
Don't you think you're moving too fast?
Come on, bro. Just get online. Just get online. You're always questioning every single thing. Get online. Get the shit for me.
Alright, fine. Congratulations in advance, man.
Thank you. That's what you should be saying. Huh? Support in my ass, man.
Wow. Hasta.
Hi, baby.
Hey, darling.
Welcome. Come to mama. Did you miss me?
I miss you all day long.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You didn't call me.
Well, I knew I was going to come home
Excuse
and
me.
meet your beautiful self home.
Excuse me.
And I also have something special for you.
What is this?
Come on,
What is this?
Take a look at it.
Okay. You know I love gifts. Is it money? What do we have here?
That's your new business. Yeah.
Oh my God, babe.
No, I've already registered it with CAC. I paid for the space for 2 years. It's beautiful, it's huge, and you are absolutely going to love it. I also ordered furniture and the cooking utensils. They will be in town pretty soon.
Wow, babe. How? When? Oh my God, I can't believe this.
Yeah.
Babe, is this real?
It's real. Honey.
Aiden.
I want you to know that I love you and I want you in my life forever.
Aiden, this is too much. What did I even do to deserve this?
You're everything. You don't need to do anything.
This is magnificent.
Okay, before you...
Baby.
Hey. Hey.
Sorry.
And one more thing. One more thing. Honey.
Aiden.
You know that I love you so much, right?
Oh my God.
Ugoma, my love. Will you please marry me? Be my wife. And make me complete. Please.
Baby. Whew. Can this day get any better? Wow. Bust my brain. Baby. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes. Baby, thank you. I love it.
Thank you.
Yes, I will be your wife. The mother of your unborn kids. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much for coming into my life and turning my life into what it is today. Thank you for making today the happiest day of my life and for standing by me. I promise I will stand by you in good and in bad times. I love you, Aiden.
I love you more. So now that you've agreed to be my wife, I think we should go upstairs. Yeah.
What are we going upstairs to do?
I made it to the Lord, you know. Just make sure that... Make sure that everything is perfect.
Call my name, baby.
Ugoma.
Ugoma special.
Ugoma special, baby.